Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to take a second and break away from this series, and this video is just going to be on sorted. This is a built-in function, and we're just going to jump right into it. But this is highly important. So we're now to the point where we're doing videos every single day. So let's make sure we're clicking the subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And if these videos are things you're interested in, let me know by clicking the like button so I can know which ones to focus on. But alright, sorted. So let's just jump into it and see what in the world this thing does, because we are actually, in the next two series, we're going to utilize every single feature. So first of all, this takes in an argument, an iterable, then it has two optional arguments. And what this does is it takes an item and sorts it. And its default is ascending. And if you'd like it in reverse, you make it true. And then if you have a special sort, a special key, which we will talk more about in this series. But I just wanted to make sure before we got too far into it that I made a specific video just about sorted, and this is how it would look. And we can just put in like so, and not going to change our list, but that is exactly how it would be. And if you wanted to use the other arguments, the optional, you'd put in your x 25, then a comma, then type in key, and so on and so forth. But we'll do more of that in our regular series about sorting lists. But I just wanted to take a minute and just do a specific video just to make you aware of the built-in Python function sorted. Highly useful. And in the series sorted by lists of lists, you'll get to see it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and hope you guys are getting something out of this. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.